In this question, they are saying a trolley while going down an inclined plane. So as you can see, this is basically nothing but it's an inclined plane. Okay. Has an acceleration of how much? 2 centimeter per second square. Okay. So something like, as you can see, like a value is given, they have basically provided you the acceleration. So we'll start with our basic process. In this case, we'll write as given. Okay. A trolley was going down through an inclined plane. It has an acceleration of what? Something 2 meter per second square. Sorry, 2 centimeter per second square. Now, but obvious सी बात है, you need to convert this centimeter into what? Meter. Okay, then only you will be able to solve it correctly. So yes, चलो इसको convert करते हैं. As you know, centi is nothing but you can remove this by dividing by 100. So 2 would be divided by how much? 100. So in such instances, it will become something 0.02 meter per second square. Okay. So I'm correcting this one as, yeah, as 0.02 meter per second. Okay, this one is done. Now coming up with the next one, here we go. They are saying what will be its velocity? Okay, 3 second. 3 second is basically nothing but the time is given. So time is nothing but 3 second. After the start, start means initial velocity will be what? 0. Okay. So that means what will be the velocity? They are asking a final velocity. Now how to solve these kinds of sum? Very simple. You need to go with kinematical equations, right? So can I say जो final velocity होगी, this we can find with the help of what? Initial velocity plus acceleration into time. What is initial velocity? It is nothing but the zero, right? Acceleration is 0.02 multiplied by what? Time. Okay. Moving up with the next one, 3 twos are is nothing but 6. So this will become 3 like 0.06. Since it's a velocity, the unit will be what? Meter per second. So yes, you can state your answer. The velocity of the trolley. Yes, the velocity, okay, of the trolley after 3 second, after 3 second will be 0.06 meter per second. So I hope you like the solution. Thank you.